The central government on Friday rushed COVID-19 control teams to 6 states facing a high turnout of cases. The teams were sent for urgent control and containment measures of the COVID infection cases in the states. The 6 states where the central teams were rushed are Kerala, Arunachal Pradesh, Tripura, Orissa, Chhattisgarh and Manipur. The 2-member high-level team to these states consists of a clinician and a public health expert. The teams have been dispatched to the states on an immediate basis. They are expected to monitor the overall implementation of COVID-19 management, especially in testing, surveillance and containment operations. The team will also ensure COVID-19 appropriate behavior and its enforcement, the availability of hospital beds, sufficient logistics including ambulances, ventilators and oxygen cylinders, as well as COVID-19 vaccination progress. On monitoring the situation, the teams will also suggest medical actions on public health activities to the respective state governments. As an ongoing effort to strengthen the efforts of various state governments in dealing with COVID-19 cases, the central government has in the past deputed control teams from time to time to visit various states and union territories. These teams interact with the local authorities and get a first-hand understanding of the challenges and issues being faced by the administration according to the official release. For Tripura, Dr. R.N. Sinha of the AIIH and PH will lead the team, while for Kerala, Dr. Ruchi Jain, a public health specialist at the regional offices of the Health and Family Welfare, will lead the team. In case of Manipur, the team will be led by Dr. L. Swasticharan, additional DDG and Director of EMR. The team to Arunachal Pradesh will be led by Dr. Sanjay Sadhu Khan, Professor at the All India Institute of Hygiene and Public Health. Dr. A. Dan, a public health specialist at the AIIH and PH, will lead the Odisha team, while the Chhattisgarh team will be headed by Dr. Dibakar Sahu, Assistant Professor at the AII India Institute of Medical Sciences or AIIMS. The teams will be supporting the regional administration in their efforts for targeted COVID-19 response and management while effectively tackling the pandemic. Bureau Report, Halabol.